Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can use Instagram Instance in Instagram, right? So Instagram Instance is quite similar to Snapchat, also disappearing messages. So you can simply send a disappearing messages in a real time here and your followers will see it. So basically if I press on plus icon here, then I can just take a live photo here. I can use my flashlight and also I can press to turn my camera, uh, basically to select other camera. I can send the instance to my friends. So basically followers that I follow back or also close friends here. So if you took an instant here, it will be on and everybody will see it now. If you press on the three basically on squares on the top right, you should see your all instance that you published. If you want to delete that particular instant, you just need to press on it, press on the three dots, then you can delete instant or save it to camera roll, or if you want to, you can change, you cannot change, but you can basically delete it or save to camera roll as well. If you don't want to get any notifications of an instance from your friends, what you need to do here is to press on your profile on the bottom right, then press on three horizontal lines on the top right, go to notifications here, go to instance, then as you can see here, you can turn off those notifications here. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.